I have got an idea. Let's see if I can pull this off. I had to turn the camera back on, so I'm still at the computer in this hotel. Toba's just doing a live video. He's literally in the train station somewhere, I don't know where though. Like, you get comments saying like, these videos are fake, you didn't do that, you didn't do that. At the end of the day, I'm in this hotel now. Toba's clearly doing a live stream at some sort of train station. It's 1:15 in the morning. There's clearly nothing fake about this. How's it going, mate? I'm currently in a hotel, computers there. Mate. Mate, are you editing the vlog now?
Yeah, King's Cross, chilling.
On the table. This chair looks comfier than that table, mate.
I'm gonna finish editing this and then I'm gonna catch some Z's. And then
Sweet.
Z's come at 10.
Yeah, 10 o'clock, mate. Stay safe, mate. See you later. Bye, mate. Right, I'm gonna see if I can get some sleep here. I don't know how. Put my head on the desk or something. I'm meeting Toba at 10. The time now is 1:23 AM. I'll see you in the morning. Right, I'm not getting much sleep over there. I'm gonna try the toilet and see if I get more sleep there. This isn't ideal, I tell you. Look at the state of this. Anyway, I'm gonna try and get some sleep. Morning. Morning, I am out of the hotel. The time is 7:36 AM. I'm meeting Toba at King's Cross Station, which I've just looked is 41 minutes walk away from where I am now. So I've got absolutely loads of time, so I'm just gonna head in that direction and see if I can potentially get some breakfast on the way. Just to recap on my night's sleep last night, if you'd have offered me that in the morning, I'd have taken it because I was able to lie down, I used the bag as a pillow, you know, I was safe, I was warm. It could have been a lot worse. So I'm definitely grateful. I probably could have got a bit more sleep in. I didn't get to bed till like gone 2 and obviously it's 7:30 now, so I'm a bit tired, but beggars can't be choosers, I'm grateful for it. Right, let's see if we can get some breakfast. Right, there's a hotel here that looks quite nice, we'll give this a go. And we are in. Thank you very much, thank you. That breakfast was mega, set me right up for the day. After yesterday's lack of food, I needed that. But now let's get to King's Cross and see how Toba got on yesterday. Just walking down the road and I thought he was a policeman collaring me. Nice to meet you, mate. Okay. Have a good one, mate. See you later, nice to meet you. Absolutely myself, man. I just saw somebody in a police outfit say my name. He's all good though, he watches the vlogs. Right, I'm just at King's Cross now. Let's see if we can find Toba. Here he is. How was yesterday, mate?
You're gonna find out tomorrow.
Right, we have just sat down. King's Cross is behind me. St Pancras there. The time is 10:41 AM. Come on, mate, tell me, what was yesterday like?
It was alright, man. It was fun, but the night it was hard, man. It was bad. Look at me. I was freezing cold.
Mate, you've gained a jacket since yesterday, though.
I've gained a lot since yesterday.
I ain't gained anything. So obviously we were on the Instagram Live. Did you actually sleep in King's Cross Station, did you?
Right here.
Oh, you slept in St Pancras?
King's Cross, they shut it off.
What was the hardest part about yesterday for you?
Probably the sleeping part.
Yeah.
It was just cold at night. It was hard. I was sleeping on the table. It was uncomfortable. I kept rolling around and waking up every, half hour.
The sleeping part is always the hardest bit for me on these challenges. Like yesterday, all I had was that double cheeseburger. I was hungry towards the end of the night, but I thought if I can just get through the night, I'll have breakfast in the morning. And I had a full English this morning.
I was so so jealous. Wow. I had 3 hours sleep.
I probably had about 4 hours, I reckon.
I got woken up this morning. Wake up, they're opening it. Bro, I'm like, what? Where am I? What's going on?
Mate, what have you got planned today?
I got loads.
Easy's always in a rush when I'm meeting him this one. He's got something. Mate, I haven't got a clue what I'm doing today.
I've been doing my research, you know.
Mate, I haven't done any research. The only research I've done, mate, is to see which hotels are closest to get breakfast. Right,
See
mate?
you tomorrow, man.
Have a good one. Same place, 10 a.m. tomorrow.
Yeah, man.
10 a.m. See you later. Have a good day, mate. See you later. Right, I have just left Toba and I haven't got a clue what the plan for today is. I definitely need a shower. That's on the list. I don't know whether to join a gym like I was going to in Orlando, but I need to find a gym with a towel service because I've not got one. And I need to wash my clothes. God knows how I'm going to wash my clothes because I haven't got a spare set to put on, but I don't know. We'll see what we can come up with. Right, I'm just passing a hotel here. I'm going to see if I can grab a shower. Right, we're just going to try a few different floors, see if anybody's got their door open. Right, let's check this out. Excuse me? Have I left anything in here at all? Like a coat?
No.
No? Ah, okay. I was going to say, is it can I just use the toilet quickly while I'm up here? Is that all right?
Yeah.
Thank you. Sorry, I'm just thinking, while I'm here, can I just grab a quick shower quickly because I'm sweating? Is that going to be all right, or? If it's not, that's fine, honestly.
You don't mind me being here?
No, if that's right, is that okay? Cheers, thanks very much. I couldn't grab a towel, is that okay? Cheers, thank you. Cheers, thanks very much for that, thank you. Thanks very much for that anyway. Have a nice day. Oh, so happy I've just been able to grab a shower. When I do these challenges, it is the little things like the shower. Like, you'd never appreciate a shower, but I appreciated that. So, task one done for the day. There's a laundrette just around the corner, so I'm gonna go there, see if I can get my clothes cleaned, but we'll see. Right, here's the laundrette now, let's have a look. Hi, how are you? Long story short, would it be possible just to wash one t-shirt? The only thing is, I don't have any money on me. Like, I wouldn't mind like folding clothes or something like that. I wouldn't mind working for a little
Just
bit.
a t-shirt?
Yeah.
Yeah, I charge you £1.40.
Ah, okay,
Yeah,
no problem. Thanks very much for your help anyway.
Okay.
Have a nice day, thank you. Right, that never worked. He wasn't up for budging, he wasn't. There's two more laundrettes sort of like in walking distance, like down towards the river. So I'm gonna try the next one. Right, this is it. Do you work here? Ah, okay. I wonder if you can help me at all. If you were to wash one t-shirt, maybe I could like help you out because I don't have any money on me, unfortunately.
I'm just working here. I'm not the manager.
Ah, you only work here. Ah, okay. No, it's fine. No problem. No worries. Thanks very much. See you later. Right, that's 2 out of 3 laundrettes I've tried, and it ain't looking good, is it? The third one's just down here, so I'm gonna try that now. Right, this is the third one, but it says dry cleaners, so I don't know how this is gonna go. Hey, hi mate, do you wash clothes as well?
Yes.
I couldn't ask a big favour. Is there any way you could just wash one t-shirt for me? Like, I've got no money on me. If you could help me, mate, I'd really appreciate that.
Well, try to start my machine. What's it?
Thank you very much, mate.
Bring it.
Are you sure? Oh, thank you very much. Come back at 5 o'clock. Honestly, thank you so much for that. I'll see you at 5 o'clock. Happy days, third time lucky. What a guy, I am so grateful for that. I asked him could he chuck a pair of socks and boxers in as well, but he just said there's room for the t-shirt, but I'll take that, I'm grateful for that. I've got to go back there before 5, it's now 2 o'clock, so I've got 3 hours to burn. What can I do with 3 hours in London? I should probably have a sleep, to be honest. I just need to find somewhere. I am absolutely sweltering in this hoodie. It's got to be somewhere I can chill. Wait a minute, I would love a Coke right now. You know what that means. Right, okay. I was just saying the Coke didn't taste too good. Can you grab a Coke, please? Yeah. Sweet. Appreciate that, mate. Thanks very much. Thank you. Right, I'm just gonna go and chill in the hotel around the corner, get some work done, and then I'll go and get the t-shirt. Wait a minute, is this free Coke?
Recycle here.
Ah, thanks very much, thank you. Sorry, I can grab a couple more vouchers, could I? Ah, cool, thank you very much, cheers, thank you. How awesome is that? So not only have I just had a free can of Coke, but I've got loads of vouchers that I've just asked for, and basically, it's a free bottle, and you don't even have to like buy anything to get it. You just literally pick up the bottle of Coke, give them the voucher, and it's free. Perfect, that's my Coca-Cola addiction dealt with for this trip anyway. Right, let's get some work done. Cheers mate, thanks very much. Have a good day. It is now time to pick up the t-shirt. Fair play to this guy. Can't wait to put a clean t-shirt on. Thank you very much mate, thank you. I am so happy about that. Clean t-shirt, showered, put that spare pair of boxers on. We are rocking and rolling. London is so busy at the minute and you get so much looks holding this camera out. Hey, how are you mate?
Good, yeah?
Look, that was a prime example. Nice to meet you, mate. Have a nice day. See you later. Met some more cool people. I have got an idea. Let's see if I can pull this off. Do you work here? Sorry.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Where is Meg? Which screen was that?
Screen 8, so that's upstairs.
Screen
Do
8.
you have
Yeah.
3D glasses?
I don't with me, no.
You have to buy one, because this one's in 3D. So if you just go out, get the 3D glasses.
Ah, okay, sweet. No worries, mate. Cheers, thank you.
How much you need?
Just the one, please. Cheers, thanks very much.
Pound for that, is it?
Oh, I already had a pair, but they weren't working. That's why I was just running down, because I've already been in.
Oh, right, no.
Is that alright, mate? Is that okay, yeah?
Yeah.
Sweet, cheers, mate, thank you. But I think I've got away with this. Yeah, mate, just drop me. I'm going into the cinema now, so if you could just drop me a text with me. Oh my god, I think I've actually done this. Sneaked into the cinema, got my free 3D glasses, and I haven't seen Meg yet, so let's see how good Meg is. I just hope no one's asking for tickets on the door, that would be a disaster. Right, screen 8. Can't say I've ever snuck into the cinema before. Right, let's get out of here. It's so funny because like you're sitting in there enjoying the film and you're like thinking you're on holiday or something, and then you come out and it's like, I haven't got anywhere to sleep tonight. Love a spontaneous cinema trip. I can't even believe I did that, to be honest. I saw the cinema and just thought I'd give it a go. Right, I still need to find somewhere to sleep tonight, but look what I've just clocked. M&M World, I've got to get free M&Ms, surely. Excuse me, is it possible to try the M&Ms at all?
Try them?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. What do you want to try?
I couldn't try these, please, mate.
Alright, let's do it. So when people ask, they get, you know. When people take, they don't get.
Exactly. If you don't ask, you don't get, right?
Exactly.
If I try some crispy, mate.
Okay, let's try it.
Appreciate your help, mate.
There you go.
Cheers, mate. Mate, crispy is doing good.
It's doing good.
It's doing good, mate.
But that was doing good as well.
Peanut was good. I think crispy's just winning at the minute.
Is it? But it's also good. So you see what I'm saying with the problem
Mate,
is?
yeah, I know what you're saying.
Keep saying good and good, so we've got to really switch
Well, we'll
up
try the
vocab.
chocolate ones and then we'll come back. So these are just chocolate.
Sweet, thank you, mate.
The chocolate comes in at last, the peanut comes in second, and the crispy comes in first.
Oh, so we came to a decision?
We come to a decision. Thank you so much, mate. Thank you, mate. I've never tried Skittles before.
Have you not? Oh, well, today is your lucky day then, sir.
Cheers, mate. Appreciate it. Have a good night, man. Thanks very much. See you later, dude. Those M&Ms went down a tree. I think that's like the first sort of dessert thing I've had on this trip so far, I think. Right, now I am going to go to Tesco Metro to claim my free Coke from before, and then I'm going to go and find somewhere to sleep. Right, just got my bottle of Coke. This is like the Times Square of London. I think it's Piccadilly Circus. I need a half-decent hotel. I've literally used every option in Leicester Square, so I'm gonna have to go out of the Leicester Square area tonight. I don't know which areas are good and which are not too good, but I'm just gonna head sort of towards Euston Way. I think that's the way I'm heading now, and just see what hotels I find along the way, and then we'll just dive into them. So I've decided I'm gonna head up towards Euston because I'm meeting Toba at 10 at King's Cross in the morning, so it just saves the walk in the morning. Right, I'm just
walking down the road and I think I found a half decent hotel, so I'm going to try it in here.
Right, we'll see what's down here. Business centre. Ah, that'd be perfect. Ah, you need a key card to open it. That ain't good. Absolutely gutted about that. I just need to find someone with a card. Right, so I've just come into the lobby, doing some work, charging some batteries down there. Once I've done all this, I'm gonna go and check the toilets out, maybe spend another night in there. Apparently this bar's last orders at 12:45 and it shuts at 1. The time now is 12 minutes past midnight. I'll wait till this bar closes and we'll see where we go from there. Right, so the bar's closed and I've just come in the disabled toilet. Plenty big enough in there, so I'm just gonna chill in here. I'm gonna try and get as much sleep as I can. The time now is 16 minutes past 2 in the morning. I could really do with getting more sleep, but I'm gonna hit the deck. So thank you so much for all the comments and the support and the Instagram messages. Honestly, it really means a lot. Drop a like and a comment on this video if you'd be so kind. I genuinely actually love reading the comments. Everybody who's been here for a while know I always make the effort to read them. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Right, I hope you're having a good day and a good week. I'm off to get as many hours sleep as I can. I'll see you tomorrow.